Hey sweathearts, welcome to tutorial 4. Back It Up by Prince Royce. Let's get started. Alright, nice and easy at the beginning. We're going to go pull, 2, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. We're going to see that little side quick step throughout the dance, so we're going to start with it as we get ready. We go front, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Nice. Now we're going to take it nice and slow up to the mirror. Arms are free. We take it out to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We take it around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Body roll. 5, 6, and drop the hips, and then in out it. 7 and 8. Same thing going back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Facing the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Oh my God. 5, 6, in, out, in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And those hips are just going to run back, hit, body roll. Chest first, then tummy, then hips, and then you pop it back to go in, out, in. Good, we just came back and we went in, out, in. We're going to step out to the right. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross and up. The arms are scooping out 3 times and then cross, open, throw it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's see it facing the front. Taking it back this time. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, side, side. Again, arms, cross, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Time for the chorus and time to back it up. So that little side-to-side step we did at the very beginning is going to take us to the side. Starting with the right foot, we go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And then we drop it. 5, 6, again, 7, 8. And then we take it back, hips, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then bring that left foot forward, swing arms, 5, 6, 7, together. Get ready for the other side. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, facing the opposite direction, 2 booties. 5, 6, 7, 8, back, 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 and left foot, right foot, sorry, comes back to the front. Now facing the front. Now the arms, the only arms that you really need to worry about are the circle arms to get us back to the front. Other than that, you're free to take it here, you're free to take it down, low and dirty, and then free arms, as long as the booty's backing up, then the arms come in, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, 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 drop, and drop, pa, 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 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the whole thing starts again from the top, just with it going forward. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my. In, out, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, body roll, and in, out, in. Circle those arms out, 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 cross, open, up, out, 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 ta, ta, ta. To get ready to start chorus. facing the front. Second time through, starting with 4 up, starting right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and balanced. It's easy here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my. And out and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh mama. 5 and in. Side, side. Get those arms ready. Top, top, top. Side, side, side. Pop, pop, chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it's time for the breakdown. Once again, from the beginning, we do double, double, easy for 4. Again, double, double, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to kick the hips around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to get low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first ones are around the back, and the 4 second ones kind of go down and pop the hip. Down, pop. Let's see it facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3. Arms where you want. 6, 7, 8. Drop, hip, drop, hip, drop, hip, drop, hip. Good. Then we're going to take it to the side. The knees go in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. And then tap, 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 tap. Other way. In, out, in, out, in, out, out. Tap, 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 tap. The arms are around, 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 around. And then just a little here. Diamond. Ta, 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 pa, 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 pa. Diamond, 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 diamond. Let's do that second part, facing the front. Let's put them both together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Repeats. 2, 2, 4, class. 5, and 6. Now the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drop them low, and low, and low, and low. To the right. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Stomp, 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 stomp. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5. Again, both sides. We go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, there's one more part to this breakdown. We go up. Right arm, left arm, 2 body rolls. Halfway with the hands, all the way down with the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back, back, back it up, chorus. Facing the front. We do the second time, going back. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, body roll, finish it. 1, 2, 3, 4, body roll, finish it, and back, back, back it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Each direction. And that's it. It's time to back, back, back it up. Let's go.